Why didn't I learn to do this sooner? Brilliant cake making idea. In a mold, let's add some water. Next, place 2 spoons on either side, put in the freezer until hardened. Once frozen, add melted chocolate with peanuts. Now, in a bowl, add 2 eggs, half cup of sugar, and about 3 tablespoons of 50% chocolate. Then mix thoroughly. Add baking powder and some flour, and the batter will reach this consistency. Transfer everything to a pan lined with parchment paper. With our cake now ready, let's remove the parchment paper. In a frying pan, add a cup of sugar. Stir until it turns into caramel. At this point, add a tablespoon of butter and continue mixing. Then add about 100 milliliters of milk and top with peanuts. This is the perfect consistency. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, add the whipped cream mixture. Let's beat it until it stiffens. On top, add a bit more 50% chocolate. Mix it very well. Now in our chocolate shell we made earlier, let's start assembling by adding all our caramel. On top, all of our whipped cream. After that, just add the cake, then flip it, slice it, and enjoy. And look everyone, how incredible this recipe turns out. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. A big hug to you all. See you next time and thanks.